Sometimes your computer DNS cache can get outdated or corrupted, leading to issues with website access. Cleaning the DNS cache and registering new DNS settings can help resolve these problems. Here's a simple guide on how to do this using the command prompt in Windows. So what you need to do here, first of all, click on the Windows icon and then search for CMD. Now right click on your command prompt and run as administrator. Now in the step number 2, simply you need to type here the ipconfig /flushdns and then hit enter. Now you should see a message confirming the DNS resolver cache has been successfully deleted. Now the next step is register new DNS from your router. So what you need to do here, type the command ipconfig /registerdns and then hit enter. This command will take a few moments to complete refreshing the DHCP leases and re-registering the DNS names. By following these simple steps, you can clear your older DNS cache and ensure your computer is using the most up-to-date DNS information. This can help resolve many common internet connectivity issues and improve your browsing experience. See you in the next video. Until then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.